Accurate data is the backbone of every well-run organization. The people who manage it well are more valuable than most realize. The Data Entry Administrator training at Online Training Academy is built for anyone stepping into a data or administrative role for the first time, or for those already in the field who want to work more efficiently and with greater confidence. Across 7 modules, the course moves through the fundamentals of data entry, navigating computer systems for data tasks, essential rules and guidelines for accuracy, leveraging Excel for efficient data entry processes, creating and using data entry forms in Excel, automating repetitive tasks using Excel's flash fill and autofill features, and implementing statistical packages for data entry. Each module is practical and directly applicable to real administrative environments across offices, healthcare, finance, and government departments in Canada. The course is fully online with audio voiceover, developed by qualified professionals and accessible on your laptop, tablet, or phone at whatever pace suits you. Once you complete the course, your e-certificate is issued immediately, and you will also receive a free hard copy certificate. Bulk enrollment discounts are available for teams. The course is accredited by CPD and endorsed by the Quality License Scheme. One wrong entry can cause hours of problems. One well-trained administrator prevents them.